So we have now entered Clark Freeport Zone na ngayon ay isa na sa mga sentro ng negosyo dito sa Pilipinas.
Hi tourists! Mahilig ba kayo sa history and culture? Dahil ang pupuntahan nating lugar ngayon ay magbabalik na tayo sa dating US Air Force Base na matatagpuan dito sa Clark, Pampanga. So let's go!
Alam niyo ba, ang Clark Museum ay isang historical museum na nagpapakita ng transformation ng Clark mula airbase noon hanggang maging modern business hub ngayon. So ang Clark Museum po ay binubuo ng 4 na gallery, which is each gallery composes of different story. At hindi lang siya museum ha, may 4D theater din sa loob. Kaya let's go, explore na natin! Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang front desk at dito malalaman ang operating hours Tuesday to Sunday 9 o'clock AM to 4 o'clock PM at close on Mondays.
Welcome to the Clark Museum, isang makasaysayang lugar na matatagpuan sa puso ng Clark Freeport Zone. Dito, muling binubuhay ang kasaysayan ng Central Luzon mula sa panahon ng mga ninuno hanggang sa makabagong panahon. Sa bawat exhibit, matutuklasan mo ang kwento ng tapang, pagbabago at pag-asa. Tara, samahan niyo kami sa isang makabuluhang paglalakbay sa nakaraan at kinabukasan ng ating bayan. Matatagpuan sa Gallery 1 ang mga eksplanasyon tungkol sa strategic location ng Clark. Ito ay binubuo ng mahigit 33,000 hectares of land area. Mapapansin din na ito ay napapagitnaan ng 2 malalaking bundok. Ang Mount Arayat at ang legendary Mount Pinatubo na pumutok noong 1991 na siyang sumalanta at bumura sa maraming bayan ng Zambales at Pampanga. Matatagpuan din dito ang mga kagamitan sa pangangaso ng ating mga kapatid na Aita at mga souvenirs na iniluwa ng Mount Pinatubo. So ayun po, after natin makita ang geology and geography ng Clark, punta na tayo sa Gallery 2 which talks about more culture and traditions of Pampanga.
Ang Gallery 2 ay isang section kung saan nakadisplay ang mga obra maestra ng mga artist ng Pampanga. Ipinapakita rin dito ang iba't ibang kultura at tradisyon dito sa Pampanga. At isa na rito ang tinatawag na Aguman Sandok or Fellowship of Taladel na ginagawa taon-taon sa Minalin, Pampanga. Ito ay isang pageant ng mga straight na mga lalaki at sila ay nagsusuot ng mga damit pababae at nagpapatawa.
Dito makakakita tayo ng mga bombshells, ammunitions, rifles at mga kasuotan na ginamit noong panahon ng gera. Ang highlight ng Gallery 3 ay kung papaanong aksidenteng na-discover ng mga Amerikano ang Clark. Naligaw lamang ang kanilang mga kabayo galing Angeles City dahil naghahanap ng mga makakaing damo. Matatagpuan din dito ang huling suot na damit ng dating Pangulong Manuel Rojas Sr. nang atakihin siya sa puso pagkatapos ng kanyang speech dito mismo sa Clark.
Finally, we are touched down now in Gallery 4. Dito natin makikita ang modern art at ano nandito. Tara! Gallery 4 shows the transformation of Clark into a modern and smart city. May mga scale models, interactive display at information boards tungkol sa future development ng Clark. Kasama na dito ang mga business hubs, eco-friendly parks, at smart technology project. Ang cool kasi makita mo how Clark is being developed by the Clark Development Corporation or CDC. This gallery proves na Clark is not just about past, it's also about future.
So ayun mga tourists, if gusto nyo ma-experience ang history, resilience, and innovation all in one place, don't miss the Clark Museum.
We are now done exploring the Clark Museum. Let's now proceed to the Clark Development Corporation. Let's go!
Behind the success of Clark is the Clark Development Corporation or CDC.
Clark Development Corporation is a government-owned and controlled corporation mandated to administer the Clark Freeport Zone, Philippines, to create quality employment and help the economic growth of the country. It is now in its 25 years of existence under the umbrella of Bases Conversion and Development Authority.
Ang CDC ang nagmamanage ng Clark Freeport Zone. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit organized, clean at business-ready ang lugar na to. They attract investors, build eco-friendly spaces, and create job opportunities. Kaya Clark is one of the fastest-growing areas in the country.
May mga BPO offices, hotels, restaurant, parks, and even biking areas. Marami ding iba't ibang klase ng coffee shop around Clark. Very chill pero modern ang vibe. At night, the tourists will enjoy the food park.
It's a perfect place para sa tourism, business at learning.
Good afternoon, tourists! Now we're here at Dinosaur Island sa Clark, Pampanga, ang kauna-unahang animatronic dinosaur theme park sa bansa. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga prehistoric creatures, sigurado magugustuhan nyo to. Kung mahilig din kayo sa dinosaurs at nature trips, this is a perfect pasyalan with your friends or family. So tara na! Samahan nyo ko as we explore this dino-epic place. Let's go! Guys, aside from dinosaurs, meron din silang Insectlandia. It's an exhibit full of giant insect replicas. Meron din silang ticket booth kung saan pwede kayo mag-avail ng package deals kung gusto niyo ng full access sa lahat ng attractions. And they also have photo booth, pwede kayo magpa-picture with dino props or even use green screen effects. And madaming parking slots, so kahit peak season, sure na may space ka.
After ng dino adventure, gutom na tayo. So now let's try the food here. Maraming food choices dito like Terramon, Terraken, and more. Unahin na natin ang Terraken. Ito yung spot ng chicken wings at juicy, cheesy burgers. Perfect for lunch or heavy snacks. Kung gusto nyo naman ng something refreshing, try nyo ang Terramon. Meron silang fruit shakes na perfect for this kind of weather. Meron din ditong Pika Pika, kung saan mabibili ang paborito nating street foods like fish balls, kwek-kwek at squid balls. At kung chill spot ang hanap nyo, visit Triceratops Cafe. They offer coffee, pastries, and light snacks. Perfect kung gusto mo lang mag-relax at magpahinga. And lastly, we have Dino Diner. Perfect for families, they serve burgers, fries, all in a fun dino-themed setting.
But we're in Clark, Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines, and of course, we can miss trying the legendary Aling Lusing Sisig. Aling Lusing is a humble eatery located at Glaciano Valdez Street near the old railroad tracks. Despite its simple setup, it's always bustling with locals and tourists craving authentic Kapampangan flavors. Did you know that Lucia Aling Lusing Cunanan is credited with reinventing sisig in the 1970s? She transformed it from a sour salad into the sizzling pork dish we love today. Her innovation put Angeles City on the culinary map and earned her title Sisig Queen. Here it is, the famous sizzling pork sisig. Crispy pork bits, chopped onions, and mouth-watering aroma. Mga dami.
If you're in Pampanga, Aling Lusing Sisig is a must. It's not just a meal, it's a taste of Filipino culinary history. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey.
Tapos na ang ating tour sa Clark Museum, quick introduction sa Clark Development Corporation, and food tasting sa sikat na pagkain sa Clark, which is ang Aling Lusing Restaurant. We learned a lot and for sure kayo rin. Thank you for watching!